Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, January 5th. Happy New Year. I hope you had a wonderful New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. True to my word, I did not stay up till midnight. I thought maybe I would, but I just couldn't make it. So yeah, but I woke up at midnight to say Happy New Year to my family. And it was fine. And now I've been taking down my Christmas decorations. I started yesterday, so that's always a huge process, and if you guys decorate, you know what I mean, but it's getting done. And I've been crafting and doing some shopping, so I wanted to share with you what I got this week. And first, before I forget again, I got this beautiful card from my friend Anna, who is Anna White. I'm sure all of you guys know her and her beautiful artwork, but if you do not, I will leave her channel down below. She had sent me this beautiful Christmas card. Thank you so much, Anna. I did send Anna a message thanking her, but I wanted to show you guys too. Isn't this gorgeous? Oops, her business card just fell out. I'll get that in a second. But I had seen Anna create these cards on her channel, and it's just lovely. All the details that she puts into them, these gorgeous stamps that she watercolors and then adds background stamps in like brown colors of the text and postage marks, and inks them, distresses them, splatters them with this beautiful gold watercolor paint that she uses a lot, and just all the different layers. I love the eyelet with the twine tied through it. It's just such a beautiful, well-made card. And I got this when we had company. My whole family was here, so I showed everyone, and they were in awe of how gorgeous this is. So thank you so much again, Anna. On the inside, she also stamped the beautiful inside of the card, left me a beautiful note. And Anna, your handwriting is so nice. Oh, I wish mine was that nice. And then on the back is her cute little stamp. So let me grab the business card so I could show you, because it's super cute. So this is Anna's card, and Anna designed this stamp too. So this is her information there. So cute with the party chicks. And then that's the back. So thank you, Anna. I love both of them, but this card, it's just gorgeous. And I can leave this out all winter long because it's just wintry. So thanks again. I really appreciate that. Okay, so there's that. And then I did go to Hobby Lobby this week. I wanted to look for some new shelves for my bathroom, but I didn't really see anything there. I got a couple of things on clearance. When I went, Christmas was 70% off. I think now it's 90% off, but I got a few things at 70%. The first thing is this garland, and this is so cute. I remember seeing this when Christmas first came out, and it's all of these like styrofoam donuts, and they're all glittered, and they have the little foam balls attached to them too, so they look like, like things you can eat. So this was originally $20.99, so I got it for whatever 70% off of that is, probably what, $6, something like that. So I thought that was a great deal. All the donuts are a different color, and I plan to put this out for at least Easter, possibly Valentine's Day too, because this does not scream Christmas to me at all. These are pastel colors. I mean, it would work for Christmas, but I'm going to use it for spring holidays. So I got that. I thought that was a great deal. And then I got this pattern. These are embroidery transfer pattern. So it was $1.99 originally. So what's 70% off of that? 60 cents, something like that. So I believe these are like the transfer patterns like Aunt Martha's. And let's see. Yeah, it's a transfer sheet. So you would just like take the pattern and iron it onto your fabric and then embroider over it. So I like all of these different designs. They're super cute. And even if I just use one or two of them for 60 cents, I think it's a great deal. Especially, I love this one. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And that Christmas tree is really cute. Love the gingies and the house. And it's just all cute. Merry and bright. Yeah. So I thought that was a good find. And then the last thing I got was this. This is from the My Little Christmas section, although this looks more like paper crafting to me. This was $4, but, oh, did I say 60% off before? 70% off, I meant. Anyway, I thought this would be nice for paper crafting. So I know I have stickers like this from Hobby Lobby, but now it has like, the 3 different banners. So I got that. So that was all I got from Hobby Lobby. When I went, it must have been last week I went, like Friday. Yeah, it had to be after I made my haul video last week, so it must have been Friday. Anyway, so Valentine's Day was not on sale yet, but it is now for 40% off. I didn't get anything from Valentine's Day. At Target in the dollar spot, I picked up a few of these dry erase labels, and see how they put them on the edge of the basket there. I was thinking I can either do that in my craft room, in my like a cube unit that I store my craft supplies in, or I can use this in my new bathroom. In the closet, I have a bunch of bins, I have like acrylic bins, not the wire ones. So I was thinking I could use this on them too and just put, like hair stuff and whatever. So I got a few of these, 3 of those, and these were only $1 for 6 of them. So there's that from Target. And then I went to Michael's because I wanted to look to see if they had any good Christmas clearance. We have an artificial tree that we've had for the past 6 years, and this year a couple of sections of lights would not light, and I tried everything to fix them. I replaced bulbs, I replaced fuses, and it just was not working. So apparently, I looked it up, in 6 years is the average for a artificial tree to last for the lights. So temporarily this year I added some extra, strands of lights, but I hate how it looks with like the bulbs that aren't lit up. So we'll get a new tree. Anyway, my point of that story was I wanted to look for a clearance Christmas tree, because this one I had gotten at Michael's 80% off clearance after Christmas. And they had one at Michael's, but it wasn't one that I wanted. So I didn't get a tree, but I did get a few Valentine's Day paper pads. They have some Valentine's Day card making supplies out, and they're not on sale yet, but I had a 40% off coupon in my app and a 20% off. So this is the one I got for 20% off. This is the 6x6 paper, and then I got a 12x12. But this also comes in a 12x12, but I just got the 6x6. So this one is called Hello Valentine. I don't know if they had it last year or not. It says 2023 on it. I don't know if that means, it says 9/2023. Maybe they made it in September last year. I forget if it came out last year or not, because I didn't buy any Michael's paper pads last year. But this one has specialty paper in it. So it has 12 designs and how many papers? Does it say? I don't know if it says there. It just says 12. 36. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so sorry. You're probably like, it says right there. Anyway, this is what it comes with. It comes with like this foily paper, and it has some like rectangles indented in there. I think that's from the back. No, it's not actually. I don't know what that's from. Probably some packaging. But anyway, that's that foil paper. So there are 3 of those, so 3 of each, I guess. And then this paper has little black hearts in stripes. So I like that. I think that's really cute. Very nice little hearts. And then this one has hearts with little hearts making them up with the red background. Nice and thick paper. These are not double-sided. And then we have some red matte foil paper, so that's always good to have. And I think I am running low on my red one. This one has a white background. Lots of times they have craft color backgrounds on them. So there's that one. And then we have XOXO, and these are pink letters with like white stitching, and then the shadows are red. So really cute. You could cut those apart too, which I think would be a good idea, or just use the paper as is. Here's some of the specialty sheets, and this is like, I want to say acetate, but it's more vinyl-y than acetate. It's not vellum, it's definitely acetate, but it's not like, oops, it just ripped off the spine there. But yeah, it's kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it, a bendable acetate. So I love the color of it. It's got pink and red and black, different size hearts. Let me put a piece of paper behind that so you could see what it looks like. So that's what the acetate is, and it looks like it'll die cut okay. I'll have to give it a try. Let you know. I've got some Valentine projects to work on. And here's a pink matte foil. I like matte foils. They're not as, stark as the other ones. Here's a stripe with red and pink and light pink. 3 of those. And then here's another one of those acetate pieces, and this is just black stripes. And then here's like a holographic foil. I have a hard time with these kind of papers. I don't know, they're just very garish to me. Then there's a red background with black and white hearts. I like that. I love the small prints in this. And then red lips. And that's probably it. Yep. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to get this in a 12 by 12, so that's why I got the 6 by 6. But the other one I got in the 12 by 12, and that is Sweetheart Day. Again, I'm not sure if this is new or not. I don't remember what they had last year. This was, I didn't tell you, did I? This was $6.99, but I used a 20% off coupon. This is $19.99, but I used my 40% off coupon. So this one comes in the 6 by 6 as well, but there were some papers in here that I really wanted in a 12 by 12 size, including this white glitter, because it's just the white glitter. It's not, a colored glitter. So whenever I could find that kind of glitter, I try to get it. So let's go ahead through this. We have this really pretty pink glitter paper. It's not like a baby pink, it's more like a purpley pink, but it's very pretty. And then, let's see, 3 of those. And then there's this love paper with a lot of pink in there as well. And then this one I thought was so cute. It's kind of like a brightish pink in the back with white or light pink and red hearts in it. 3 of those. And then this like hot pink or fuchsia glitter, which is pretty. They also had these papers, by the way, in like a slimline card size. I didn't see how much they cost, but I did see that. And then again with this like foldable acetate, and this has wavy lines, and it's got light pink and hot pink and red. So really cute, right? This would be great to like, cover your shakers or something like that, book covers, recipe book covers. Here's a page that has love and XOXO, and they're written in like stitch lines, if you could see that, again in the red and white and pink. That's really pretty. And then this really like yellowy gold glitter paper. 3. And then this pretty page. Isn't that pretty? I'm glad they came out with some nice Valentine paper because, I don't know, just like the things I've seen online, there's no cute crepe paper one, which I really miss. No cute like DCWV one. There's this. That's cute. Like I have some from last year, Happy Hearts. Actually, it's from a couple years ago. And I have some Doodlebug paper too. And they're getting me by, but it's good to have something different. Oops, looks like a flaw there. This is that white glitter paper, and it's got some schmutz there. We'll just have to work around that. But yeah, this is that nice white glitter paper. And Michael's always has, well, not always, but when they do have white glitter paper, they have this nice, weight one, and it doesn't shed, and it works really well. Here's some more of that acetate, and this is the conversation hearts. So that is great to have, right? So, if you have 40% off, $20, so then that's what, $8 off, so it was $12. That is not bad for 12 designs, 36 sheets, so 3 for $1, Can't beat that really when you have like specialty paper like this. I think that's a good deal. And then this paper here, and eventually this will go on sale more too, so you can always wait for that. But I just kind of needed Valentine paper. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So those are my new Valentine papers from Michael's. All right, and the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is I finally got my AdornIt design team package. Lately, they've been taking so long to get here. AdornIt is in Utah, and I'm in New York, so I don't know why, but they like take the slow boat over from Utah, or the slow truck. So anyway, I got mine like a week after the other design team members got it. So I figured I would share it with you in case you haven't seen it yet. So these are the stamps for, let's see, probably December. Yeah, they must be for December. So I'm not sure which is the main recipe stamp and which is the add-on one. So let's start with this one. This one is sausage gravy. So what a cute stamp this is. I love the frying pan. It's got the ingredients listed up here and then how to make it in the frying pan. And then there's a heart covering or hanging from the frying pan. And yeah, just a really cute recipe. Love the banner that it's in. Very cute. And then the other stamp is this one, butter up biscuits. So easy and good. Now, when I make biscuits, I really cheat and I just get the Grands, Pillsbury Grands, or even better, I like the Aldi ones. They're a lot cheaper and my family likes them even better. And I don't eat gluten, so I don't eat them, but they really like them. And anyway, this recipe looks good. It uses flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, and buttermilk and butter. I should try those. It says tasty alone, but amazing with gravy. Ah, I see why these are paired together. Oh, yum. That looks so good. Anyway, I'm hungry if you can't tell. This recipe stamp is so cute with the wooden stamp, again with the banner, another heart hanging from it. So this would be really cute to make into Valentine's Day projects with the hearts. And then there's separate stamps that say biscuits. Here's a wooden spoon and then a flourish and a heart. So I got those, and then I got another stamp. This is a bigger one, so I figured this is one that will be offered separately. But this one has the separate frying pan with the heart, and then the separate brown or biscuit batter, or you can make it whatever you want, cookie batter, stamp something on the bowl, and then some sentiments. You are the gravy to my biscuits with the little hearts there. We go together like biscuits and gravy. Oh, good gravy. I love you more than biscuits and gravy. You had me at biscuits and gravy. Mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. And then a couple of different heart stamps too. So I will link the Diana Markham stamp site on AdornIt site down below. I'm not sure if these are available yet a la carte or not, but if they are, they'll be on that link. So yeah, I think that is it. That's all I wanted to share with you. I am working on some more Scrap Diva design projects for January. Thank you so much to everybody who uses my coupon code and my referral link. I really appreciate that, of course, and I hope you've been enjoying the new release. Like I said, I've got some really cute things coming up, so I'm really looking forward to sharing those with you. And then I am just going to keep going and taking my Christmas decorations down, packing them away, putting them away, and then getting some Valentine stuff out. So looking forward to doing that. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you had a great weekend. I'd love to hear what's going on with you. And until the next crafty video, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and join my channel. And yeah, let's have a great weekend. Talk to you guys later. Bye.